Ang dami nangyari lately. Mga bagay na hindi ko ina-expect. Mga pangyayaring hindi ko pa handang harapin. Pero kailangan. Kailangan at wala akong choice kundi tanggapin. At nakadepende sa akin kung paano ko haharapin ang mga susunod na bukas na parating.
Maybe you want me to, but you're sitting on the roof on the land who could be, on the land who could be, but it won't be.
Hindi mo kasalanan ganyan ka. Kasi iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong pambili.
Last night, if the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Botoy, alam mo ba kung ano ang punot-dulo ng di matapos-tapos na kaguluhan? Ito.
Josh Pacific. Ikaw ang favorite Josh ko. Ikaw ang pinaka-plastic kong nakilala. Hello, Roy. Genuine guys sinabi ko eh.
Do you know I love you so? You know I love you so. Thank you. Hello pa, nasa TV na po ako. I swam across, I jumped across for you. What a thing to do, 'cause you're wrong and wrong, but you're right, but you're right, what a thing to do.
Confidential.
'Cause you're wrong and wrong. Your sky, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn me into something beautiful. Do you know, for you I'll be the soldier. For you I'll be the soldier.